Now, customers call me and they say, I have an older home with copper plumbing and I've had multiple pinhole leaks and I'm not sure what the problem is. And my neighbor said you should get your water tested, find out if you need a water filtration system. So the best thing to do is call us and we'll guide you to or direct you to go to Lowe's or Home Depot or order our test kit we have on our website. Get your pH tested, find out the pH level, how acidic the water is, put a water treatment system in, and that will eliminate the corrosion of the plumbing and the water using appliances, and the pinhole leaks will stop. Basically, where the pinhole leaks occur, you should probably replace that with new CPVC plumbing or PEX plumbing. Basically, people ask, why does the acidic water corrode the copper plumbing in my house? Basically, as the water flows through the copper plumbing, it starts to create a channeling effect and dissolve the copper and leave blue-green stains in the tub, the shower, or the toilet that you use most often. And once that channeling gets to a certain point, it's going to pop a pinhole leak and you're going to get water everywhere. So basically, again, get your water tested, find out what the pH level is, and then we can treat it accordingly. So basically, once you get a pinhole leak, people call and they're freaking out, and I'm like, okay, here's what you do. Take a piece of garden hose, slit one side of it, wrap it around the pipe, put a hose clamp on it, tighten it up, and that'll stop the leak temporarily. But you need to get the water treated. You need to check your pH, find out what you need to treat the water to keep the pH up to eliminate corrosion. And because what's going to happen is you're going to get pinhole leak there, a pinhole leak here. If you get one in the wall and you can't see it, you're going to have thousands of dollars of water damage. If you have copper plumbing, one of the biggest signs that you have corrosion occurring is a blue-green stain in the tub or the shower that you use most often. That means the water is acidic, and as it's passing through, it's dissolving the plumbing and dissolving the copper pipe, and dissolved copper in the water leaves a bluish-green stain. And it occurs faster on the hot water side because heated acidic water is 4 to 5 times more aggressive than the cold water side. Now, if you think you have acid water and you're seeing the blue-green stains on the copper plumbing, the best thing to do is test your water first. You can go to Lowe's or Home Depot if you want to get it done quickly and get a home pH test kit, test the pH, and call us and let us know what the pH level is, and we can size a neutralizer accordingly. If you want an all-around inclusive test, we have a test online for $199. It's done by a lab. The results are extremely accurate, and it takes a couple weeks or so to get the results back once the test is sent into the lab. Basically, people ask, well, how does the acid neutralizer work and what kind of chemicals do you use? We don't use chemicals. We use a product called calcite, which is crushed limestone, calcium and magnesium based. So basically, the water comes from your well tank, it enters into the upflow inlet side, goes down the center tube, comes up in a circular motion through the calcite media bed, and as it passes through the calcite media bed, it slowly dissolves the calcite until it hits neutral, which is 7 on the pH scale. And once it does that, it passes through the calcite bed, comes out of the downflow outlet, and moves back to the house line and enters into the home. Now, people say, should I just call a plumber and get the leak fixed? Yeah, you can do that, but it's going to be probably $300 to $500 or more for him to come out and fix it. And a lot of times, they'll look for other things that are wrong or tell you other things are wrong. Try to jack up the price, which is unfair and kind of scammy. Basically, it's better to put that money into a treatment system and eliminate the ongoing cost of having a plumber come out and fix leak after leak. For $14.95 shipped, everything comes to you. All you have to provide is some fittings and some piping for the installation. So if you're watching this video and you have pinhole leaks, the first thing you need to do is stop the leak or shut the water off so the leak stops and fix the leak. And then go get your water tested and find out what the pH is. Call me and I'll help you size acid neutralizer accordingly.